So it's beyond just a normal genset. It has on board all the features that you need for paralleling, for demand response, for load management. Very commonly used in retail applications for participating in revenue programs. Some other features of this, in order to qualify for those applications, is it's ultra low emissions. This is a rich burn engine, 3-way catalyst, kind of traditional technology, but super low NOx for non-attainment zones. Super quiet. The cooling system is actually on the top with electric fans blowing vertically. So it's what we would call a remote electric cooling system that is a variable speed. So when the engine isn't running full power, or if it's not peak heat of the day, the fans are idling down, and that's your number one noise source. So that allows this thing, you could literally stand here and have this same conversation with this thing running full power. And then the rich burn characteristics also make it very, very quick responding for up to operating speed in 8 seconds, ability to take the full rated load in a 20-second step. So those features allow you to install it behind a grocery store or a gas station, near a residential zone that may have noise limits, and still not disturb the neighbors, because this product will run when the utility's still up, right? When the power goes out, people just kind of go, okay, standby gensets run, and they just put up with it. But if this kicked on, 2 in the morning and you had a baby in bed, they wouldn't know the difference. So that's part of what we're part of the compliance that we have to meet with this type of product. 450 kilowatt, you'll notice the strange shape. It's designed so that you can actually stack them together tightly, because the air flows vertically in these eaves and straight up. So if you need 900 kilowatts, 1300, 1800, you can put just 4 in a row, and we have switchgear for it, so it acts like one switchgear. If you need more power than that, you can actually put in multiple rows, and we put in installations that had 75 at a site, and they will all start, synchronize, and pick up a load as if they're one unit. So it's a modular system that we intend to expand upon as we go forward. They talk to each other in Modbus, very high speed, and then the switchgear itself is what controls the whole site with Ethernet. And it's tied into, you heard the earlier discussion about AMP and so forth. We have all the hardware on board for working with our tangent solutions. You just need to download the software and sign up. So this system is totally integrated for that application. Okay.
So what's behind the panels? What's powering it?
It's a 21.9 liter V12. We can't open it. Yep. There's the engine. Oh, there's controls. The alternator's sitting right behind this, but you'll notice no radiator because it's up there. And the after treatment's behind here. So it's very, very compact.
So where are the non-attainment zones? Where are they typically?
Typically California, surprisingly East Texas is one of the tightest areas. Around the major metros, Chicago, New York, Ontario, BC, Seattle area, the hotbeds for it. But even though this unit can meet all those requirements, it's also a dynamite solution for hospitals, healthcare. It does all the dual fuels and all the other things that you need to do. So we have customers that are more progressive thinking. They're not in non-attainment zones buying these and installing them in the state of Illinois and so forth.
It's Lukas Voda. I'm the product strategy manager for our small product in Caterpillar Electric Power. So for me, that means diesel up to 1.5 megawatts and gas up to 500 kilowatts. So technically this product is my baby, but because of its modularity, it really kind of fits in between the two groups. So it's really designed for sites of 1.5, 3, 5, 10 megawatts, right? The other thing we have here, this is a DG150. It's one of 11 models we have available in our small gas lineup. It goes from 40 to 200 kilowatts today, with a range of engines from 3.6 liters up to 10.3. So what we did when we designed this, when you're getting under 200 kilowatts, it's primarily a standby market, but there is some opportunity for the demand response grid participation. So the top half of our portfolio is available with demand response and true prime non-emergency EPA rating. Like Don had mentioned, this is a rich burn gas engines in this whole platform as well, with after treatment. So it's got a 3-way catalyst to meet those lower NOx emission requirements for non-emergency areas. So the whole portfolio is available in both natural gas and propane. It's really just a great new addition for us. We're really revamping our gas lineup. So we've got your down to your large home or small commercial at 20 kilowatts, all the way up into multiple megawatts. So when we were redesigning our gas portfolio, we really wanted it to align with the rest of our product portfolio on the diesel side. We wanted to be best in class in power density, and that's something we've really pushed here, particularly at the small end of the portfolio. So up to our 80 kilowatt uses a 3.6 liter, which is industry leading. Gives us much better fuel consumption when you're running in those prime or demand response non-emergency applications at higher hours, and just really robust. We took a lot of the lessons learned from decades of experience on the diesel side and put it into the package for this gas product. So complete redesign from the bottom up.